Hello all, this is Ranjani, a certified yoga teacher from Aathmik Yoga. Let's see the first asana that will help us to improve our height. Keep your feet together and slowly inhale, raising your arms up. The palms should touch each other. Keep your arms closer to your ears and slowly raise your heels and stand on your toes. Balance here for a minimum of 10 seconds and then slowly exhale and release your hands and place your feet on the floor. You can also practice this asana by interlocking your fingers and raising it above your head and standing on your toes. This asana is known as the Tadasana. Repeat the asana for 3 to 5 times in a day for better results. And the second stretch is Parsava Tadasana. Similarly, raise your hands above your arms and slowly tilt your body towards the right side. Make sure your shoulders are in line with each other and you're not curling up towards the front of your body. Come back to the original position and repeat the same on the opposite side. Repeat this stretch for 2 to 3 times on both the sides. This is the best asana for your spine. And the third asana that we are going to do is the seated Tadasana, that is, sit comfortably on the floor with your legs crossed in Sukhasana and slowly raise your arms up when you inhale and stretch your arms towards the sky. Feel the stretch in your spine and hold it there for 10 seconds and slowly exhale and bring your hands down. And the fourth asana is seated side stretch. So sit comfortably and place your right hand on the floor and raise your left arm above your head. Again, make sure you're not rolling forward. Keep your shoulders in line with each other. And repeat the same on the other side. Repeat this asana twice or thrice on both the sides. The fifth asana is Padahastasana. Keep your feet together, raise your arms up when you inhale and slowly exhale and bend forward from the hip. Your body should be ideally in an L shape. You can bend your knees so that you can go and reach your toes, or you can even place your hands on your knees. Whatever feels comfortable to your body, you can follow the same. And breathe normally while you're holding in the posture and do not hold your breath. And the sixth asana we are going to see is Trikonasana. Spread your feet wide apart, maybe 3 feet apart, and point your right toes 90 degrees outside the body and your left toe 45 degrees inwards to your body. And keep your hands parallel to the floor. Now slowly slide your right arm on your right leg and extend the left arm above your head. The left hip should be in alignment with your left leg. You can look or gaze at the left side arm and stay here for 10 to 30 counts. Slowly breathe while you are in the pose and exhale to come back. Repeat the same asana in the opposite direction and repeat it twice on both the sides. And the seventh asana we are going to see is Paschimottanam. Sit straight with your legs extended outwards and your spine straight. This is Dandasana. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bring your arms down towards your feet. Act like you are rowing a boat. Move your body in a way that one moves their arms while rowing a boat up and down. Do this for 5 to 8 times and then try to hold your toes and bring your body towards your legs. Try to bend from the hip and not from the spine. One can also bend the knees slightly if they feel uncomfortable while doing this. Even if you're not able to hold your toes, you can place your hands on your ankles or on your knees. Slowly exhale and release. And the eighth asana is Bhujangasana. Lie down flat on your belly. Press your palms wide spread near your chest and slowly lift your upper body. Do not give pressure on your shoulders. Expand your shoulders and open your chest and try to look up. Hold in this posture from 5 to 30 seconds, but keep breathing throughout the posture and slowly exhale and release. Alternatively, if one cannot practice the Bhujangasana, then they can practice the Sphinx pose by supporting their body weight on their elbows rather than on their palms. And the ninth asana is cat and cow. On four-leg posture, your palms wide open in line with your shoulder and your knees in line with your hip. Inhale, pull your belly towards the floor, and exhale, push your belly away from the floor. So this is cat and cow asana, inhaling and exhaling while you move your spine in a sine wave pattern. Spread your body weight evenly across your palms and on your knees, and do not pressure your wrist. Lock your elbows to avoid injury to your wrist while practicing this asana. Repeat this practice for 10 rounds of cat and cow. And the 10th asana is Adho Mukha Svanasana. From the tabletop posture, tuck your toes and engage your core to lift your knees off the ground and push your hips back. Keep your arms straight and press your chest towards your thigh. Keep your neck muscles relaxed, and it is okay even if your heels are not touching the floor. You will be forming an inverted V shape. Hold this posture for 10 to 30 seconds and repeat it twice or thrice. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your knees down and rotate your wrist to release the tension. And this completes our 10 asanas to improve our height. Do practice and share your comments in the feedback section below. If you like our content, consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified whenever we post the next video. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the links in the description box below. You can also get a copy of my book, Yogic Secrets of Eating for Weight Loss, by WhatsApping us in the given number below. So join in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your queries related to health, fitness, diet and yoga and get it clarified by the professionals directly. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Nandri, Vanakkam.